Five. How are you today? You good? Are you ready to learn how to swim? Are you afraid of swimming, Anders? A bit? You're afraid when it's deep, right? Okay. I remember, Anders, it's super simple, right? The first thing is to be relaxed. Learn how to blow your bubbles underwater for 5 seconds. I hold you. Can you look inside the water for 5 seconds and blow bubbles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, it's deep, right? But it's fine because you're gonna stay on the surface of the water. You're not going down in the water because your body is floating. So, come. 5 second bubbles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. See, here you can touch the ground. It is shallow. You feel better here? Okay. Do your 5 second bubbles alone. Show me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. You exactly understand. When you do your bubbles, try to open your arms, open your legs, and feel you can float underwater. You're not going to fall in the water. You're gonna stay on the surface. Show me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Touch the ground. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. You did 5 second bubbles? You touch the ground every time? Okay. Now, Anders, the difficulty is after your bubbles, if it's deep, you cannot touch the ground. Okay, bud? So when you cannot touch the ground, use your hands like a tiger. By pulling the water after your bubbles, you can breathe up on the surface with your head. And then blow bubbles again. So the idea is, we will try to go on the other side, but don't touch the ground. So you do your 5 second bubbles at the middle here. You do the tiger. I help you. Okay? And you finish with 5 second bubbles again. Allez, we don't touch the ground anymore. Try. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger and bubbles. There you go. 3, 4. Tiger. Tiger with your hands and bubbles. How is it, Anders? You okay? High five? Yeah, that's pretty cool, you know? You did the good tiger. So we do one more time. I do with you, okay? Aye, come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger. Breathe with your tiger and bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tiger and bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anders, are you okay? Oh, here is a bit deeper. You cannot touch the ground here. We try together? I will help you, okay, if you need my help. Allez. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger and bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger and bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger and bubbles. Hey, that's pretty good. How you feel? Okay? Is it okay, Anders? Okay, let me check it out. Right. We'll try inside the water so I can look inside, okay? Alright, show me. Okay, Anders, listen to me. When you do your tiger, try to do big tiger with your hands. Not small movement, but big movement. If it's big, it's better than if it's small, okay? Alright, we try again. Big movement when you breathe. Go! Right. Big movement and bubbles. Yes, good. 3, 4, 5. Big movement and bubbles. Anders, that was big. Very good. High five. You try to come alone to me? I'm just right here, okay? Aye, come. after your 5-second bubbles, do not stay underwater. You need to breathe, so you need to do your tiger, okay? All right, I want you to breathe up alone, huh? I'm here, I watch you, but you have to breathe up alone. You can try? Yes? You're not going to sleep? Let's go. Allez, buddy, let's go. Okay, so easy, relax. That was very good. We try one more time. Hold the wall. Anders, listen to me. Slowly and easy. Be relaxed, okay, bro? Alright, come here. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do your tiger. Do your... No. That's not right. Don't rush to catch me. You have to do your tiger and blow bubbles again. Okay? Show me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger, and bubbles. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Relax. You did it. It's very good. You understand? No panic, no stress. You need to do your tiger after your 5-second bubbles by yourself. Okay? And then you do again the bubbles. Show me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger. Run. 2, 3, 4. And there you go. Relax, man. It's very good, okay? But I can tell you are not so confident, huh? Just relax. It's super simple. Yes? All right, take the wall. We try one more time. Anders, are you ready? Show me, my friend. Come to Christian. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger. Okay. All right, don't hold your breath. Big bubbles. Blow big bubbles and relax. Yes? Understand? Allez. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger. If I touch your head, it means do your tiger. Okay? Don't catch my hands. I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. How you feel? You okay? You good? High five, man. Hey, Anders, that's very good. Learn how to be relaxed. It's super simple. All right? Hey, you did not sleep much yesterday, huh? You look so sleepy today. What happens to you? All right. We'll practice again next week. Okay, buddy? Yes? Cool.